This video will show you how to create and format in-text citations and bibliographic references for an authored book in the Coventry University Harvard style. An in-text citation is the reference that's provided in the main body of your text. It usually goes at the end of the sentence before the full stop and contains these parts: the surname, the year of publication, and, if you are quoting or paraphrasing, the page number of the quote after a colon. Here we can see how to format that in the text. As you can see, there are several ways to incorporate a source, but the most common is at the end of the sentence. The only information that you need to include is the surname of the author and the year of publication. There is no comma or initials, and when the page number is included, there is no P before the number. So, a citation in the Coventry University style is quite simple, just the surname and the date. The slightly more complicated part of referencing a book is the list of references which appears at the end of your work. This requires slightly more information and includes these elements. Some of this information can be slightly difficult to find, but it will all occur on the cover or the title page of every book. For this example, we can see that the author's full name and the title of the book are clearly on the front cover. However, on this page, there is a lot of information, and you need to extract just three things: the date it was published, 2011, the name of the publisher, Routledge, and the place of publication. For this book, there are two places listed. In these cases, you need to choose the town which is in or nearest to the UK. Remember that we want the town or city name, not the country, and so for this book, the place of publication is Abingdon. Now let's put all of that information into the format that we just saw. We start with the surname, followed by a comma, and the initial, which is always followed by a full stop because it is an abbreviation of the full name. Then comes the year in brackets, followed by the title, which occurs in italics. That ends with a full stop and is followed by the place of publication, a colon, the publisher name, and finally a full stop. This is what all that will look like in your list of references. As you can see, it also has what's called a hanging indent. This is where the second line comes slightly in from the first line in order to make your list of references all over easier to read. And that's how you cite and reference an authored book in the Coventry University Harvard style. For the full Coventry University Harvard guide, please see our website. And for any other questions, please contact the Centre for Academic Writing.